I ordered some brand new equipment for this video. Here you'll see that I have a high pressure regulator, brand new, a new burner. Bought this on eBay. It was $50 for everything delivered. Also, for this video, we'll be working with high purity silver. I want to use brand new crucibles to do this melt. This is a number 3 clay graphite crucible. I think they're about $25 each. We're going to start off with a test of our new burner here. I've got this set up so that the flame is directed onto the mold as I pour the molten silver into this graphite mold. It's a little windy today, so some wind interference is going to be a factor here. I'll just have to keep an eye on it. Alrighty, I think that test is a good test. We'll be good there. I've got the brand new crucible in there. I'm going to go ahead and light this. Somebody asked me, why do I use paper and not just put the torch down there? The answer is I don't want to get my head or my hands down close to that thing. It's loud, hot, and scary. So I'll just put a piece of paper in here and then we'll turn it on. Now we'll put the lid on and let the crucible season in that flame. We had to adjust that flame down. Should have it right now. That only took about 5 minutes. And as you can see, our crucible in here is red hot. So we're just going to let this cool down now and proceed from there. Our crucible is still a little bit on the warm side, but it won't cool down enough to handle here, I believe. Just going to stick it in this dish and take it with us. Alrighty, here is our seasoned crucible. I've got some pure silver crystal over here, and if you look, I've written the weight of the empty container without the lid on the side, 491.8. So that means we've got 1,553.3 minus 491.8. That's 1,061 grams in this container right here. Pure silver crystal. Alright, here we go. We're going to charge this crucible up with this 1,061 grams of pure silver crystal. Man, I don't know if we're going to get another 1,000 grams in there. That crucible looks pretty full, just like it is. All right, I'm going to weigh out another 500 grams here of silver, because I don't think I'm going to get another 1,000 grams in there. Let's see what we got here. All right, I think we got 1061 in here, so 440 would give us a 1.5 kilo bar. Let's see if we can get this in our crucible now. Alright, I think I'm just barely going to make it with 1.5 kilos here. I'm not proficient enough to do a melt and then add some more crystal. So we're just going to go with this amount right here. All right, let's go out to the furnace. 1.5 kilos of pure silver crystal. Let's go. All right, here's our crystal. Let's put it in the furnace. Here we go. We're going to light it up. Here's a shot down into the furnace. This is about 10 minutes into the melt. You can see the silver crystal has shrunk as it begins to melt. There it goes, it's liquefying. That is cool. All right, we're gonna turn the furnace off. All right, I had a little delay there, trying to get the shot. And so it's cooled off a little bit, but it's still molten down in there. As you can see, there's our pure silver molten in the crucible. We're going to add some more pure silver crystal down into the crucible. Here we go. This is kind of nerve-wracking here. I don't know what this is going to do. I've got the another scoop of pure silver here. So this should put us at 2 kilos. Leave this off. I'll reignite the furnace now off the heat that's in there. Furnace is good and hot now. Our metal is molten. What I'm going to do is I'm going to light the burner over here to heat the mold. Get that started. I'm going to take the lid off. Stick the tongs down in there and try to get those heated up a little bit. All right, here we go. I'm gonna grab the crucible full of metal. Try to pour it in one smooth motion. Here we go. Here's our bar. The surface looks kind of rough. What we're going to do now is get it out of the mold and get it into that container of water. We'll be able to get it or not, man. It's still pretty hot. Well, I dropped everything on the ground, of course. It's my first time. I'll get better as time goes by. Here's the bar. We'll get it out of there and get it cleaned up. Take a look at it. Here's our pure silver bar. It didn't come out as good as I was hoping. The surface, I seen a whole bunch of crud coming over from the crucible, floating on top of the silver as I was melting it, and I think that's what this stuff is here. Plus, I dropped it in the sand, or in the dirt. Alright, let's get a weight on this thing. (2018) 2018 grams of high purity silver. I gained much experience doing this. I'll get better as time progresses. Dropping it in the dirt there was a rookie mistake, inexperience, trying to get this big heavy bar while it's red hot still into the water. So I'll do better next time. Alright, this will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.